Hi, Ashley here with HeartHookHome.com, and today we are learning how to crochet the Tunisian knit stitch. This is a very fun stitch. It's very easy and mindless, and I know you're going to love it. So let's get started. You can start with a chain of any number. It can be a short chain, it can be a long chain. It just depends on what you're wanting to make. You're going to skip the first chain from your hook and you're going to go into the second chain. I like to go into the back bar. I think it looks cleaner. So you're going to go into the second chain from the hook and pull up a loop. You're going to go in each chain all the way to the end and pull up loops in every single one. So you're going to end up with a whole bunch of loops on your hook. This is always going to be your first row of Tunisian. You have to establish a foundation row. So now with Tunisian, your left stitch over here, the last one that you add, you're always going to create that as a side to the stitch. Same thing with the right one, but this is going to be the side of your piece. So in order to create a nice pretty edge, we are going to chain one. So yarn over and just pull through that last chain. There we go. Now all the way to the end of the row, you're going to yarn over and pull through two. Yarn over and pull through two. Yarn over, pull through two. Yarn over, pull through two, all the way to the end. There we go. Now, if you look, you can see that each stitch here, this pair of vertical bars, this is one stitch. How it's going straight up and down. You've got the front part and then you've got the back part in the back, and you can kind of open it up and see inside. What you're going to do for Tunisian knit stitch is all you're going to do is you're going to always skip the first loop here because that's the side of your piece. And you're going to insert your hook into the center. See, there's the front one and there's the back one. You're going to insert your hook into the center and push it all the way through to the back of your work. And now pull up a loop. And that's a Tunisian knit stitch. That's it. So now we're going to continue pulling up those loops in between each of these stitches all the way to the end of the row. When you get to the end, you're always going to put your hook under both sides of the outside of that stitch. You want that to be nice and pretty, so we go through both sides of that V. And now we are ready to make our way backward again. So in order to do that, you're always going to do your chain one to create the side of your stitch. And now yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, all the way to the end of the row. And that is all there is to the Tunisian knit stitch. The farther that you get in this pattern, the more of a knit look it looks like, and I'll show you a picture of a completed piece here in just a moment. But the farther you go, the more knitted it looks. And it's a very easy, so easy, right? You just insert your hook into the center of that stitch and just pull up those loops, and that is all she wrote. So this is a great stitch to get your feet wet with Tunisian. Make sure that you go through both sides of the V on the left side, and then when you start your backward pass, you're going to chain one and yarn over, pull through two, all the way to the end of the row. And that is all there is to the Tunisian knit stitch. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I look forward to creating more with you soon. Thanks for watching.